Hey, it's the Traveling Shoes. It's a rainy day in Florida. We're at the Magic Kingdom. It is Wednesday, June 11th, I think. And we're heading to the PeopleMover. Let's jet.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
Travelers, welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you had wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trek. Transfer to green and red line.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling to the future, right by two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City, Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny bull rack. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are the others sold.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway.
And these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Truck's still going.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
I guess we're picking up.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead. And so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. seal members hurt. Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us. Mike Wazowski has brought in some real monsters of comedy. Whether you have one eye or nine, take the time to see this show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, the PeopleMover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though you're concluded, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time. Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today. See you in the future.
Non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
We just rode the PeopleMover and we got the ride twice because it started pouring down rain. So we got the magic thumbs up. Second loop, pretty fun. Rainy day. You know, like Pooh Bear or Piglet says, rain, rain, rain came down, 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 and rushing something rivulets. Anyway, that was fun. Hey, so we just got done riding the PeopleMover twice. We got the magical thumbs up because it was pouring down rain. Pretty crazy, right? So we got super saturated while we're kind of on the ride, but then because it was pouring down rain, we got to ride twice. Pretty fun. So check out the video of going around a couple loops, and thanks for watching. Ciao for now.
For the Transportation Ticket Center. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails around our journey and stay clear of the doors.